Welcome to Technical Expert World. Today I'll show you that how to design a sliding box animation, which is the separate particle going ups and downs. Here I have used the box particles 8, number of 8 box particles on a different size and which is overlapping one and another. Like the first one is going up and the second one is going up at the same time and come at the same time, like down on the same time. So here you can see the keyboard side and the keyframe rainbow. Like I have the I have declared the color of the 8 box shape inside the rainbow form, like 7 different colors is included with these 8 boxes. Now you can see the cuboid side in a type 4, 5, 6. Here you can see the transformation like 50-50% and rotation x y, like which axis it's gone up and gone down. Now come to the keyframe loading like 0 and 7 VIM and cuboid in type child 2, 3, 4. Here you can see the different size and the calculation like animation delay. What kinds of animation you are seeing here? It's a logic like where speed 8 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like respectively it's going up. Like you can see here 8 is common for the every animation delay and it's going 1 2 minus 1 2 minus 8, and now come to minus 9 minus 10 minus 11 minus 13 14 15 and 16, cause our cuboid is 8 cuboid, so minus 15 is the last one. And now come to the cuboid in a type child 9, like which is the shadow boxes all over the